My name is Chris Benton. I'm an upstream energy underwriter for Syndicate 1225 Aegis London. I had a career of 33 years as a Lloyd's placing broker and then was invited to move to the Aegis Syndicate as an energy underwriter, concentrating on upstream energy insurance. The upstream energy area covers basically three areas of the physical damage risk and associated business interruption, and the risk from the well itself. We provide control of well coverage in the event of a blowout, and of course there are then the third-party liabilities that we protect for those operations. The reason that I get up in the morning is more the oil and gas industry, the dynamic nature of that industry and the way that it is always pushing the barriers of technology and looking to produce oil and gas at a lower cost in more difficult environments across the world. And so we've seen drilling offshore Greenland, we see drilling near the Antarctic, we see west of Shetland drilling in very deep water off Brazil. And each one of these environments produces different characteristics in terms of risk, which we have to analyse and then find an insurance solution for. I think Lloyd's is very well positioned to meet the challenges for 2025. I think the changes in the offshore energy sector over my 35 plus year career have been many, obviously, but the most important one I think is the values at risk. When I first started, offshore drilling barges had average values of say $100 million. Now we're looking at floating LNG vessels for the major operators that may have values in excess of $10 billion. And of course that's created many challenges in terms of capacity available and pricing for that capacity. Naturally it's created a lot of commercial opportunities as well. The characteristics of the Lloyd's market is the stability and consistency that it offers to its client base. And it has a high concentration of excellence in terms of knowledge, which is very difficult to match elsewhere in the world. From that standpoint, it's unique. It offers consistency of product, and major oil and gas clients are looking for that consistency and not looking for surprises. We've seen dramatic rise in the values at risk, which is commensurate with the degree of difficulty the oil and gas companies are finding in exploiting new reserves. So the easy low-hanging fruit is no longer there in terms of oil and gas exploration. So they're moving into deeper water, far more exposed locations, and that's driving up values of individual assets, and that will be a real challenge for the markets to meet. The most exciting days for me have been where I've had an opportunity to actually see, touch and feel the subject matter insured. And of course for offshore assets it's quite a logistical feat to get insurers out offshore. So any opportunity I have to look at offshore platforms or floating production storage units, I'm there like a shot, and that's a great day for me, be it in Peru or the North Sea or even offshore Dubai, where there are considerable assets.